Screen audible na? The major
Yeah, yeah.
point here is the highlighter is in our plan is direct 50% and indirect 50%. And on this we will talk later on, okay?
Okay.
And just this is the main highlighter, so I introduced that. And firstly, the three major projects are there by the company, and in that first project is Omnet token, which will be first lineup, okay. Second, they will launch crypto staking wallet, and thirdly, in the month of December, company will launch Bitsmack exchange, company's own exchange, okay. This Bitsmack exchange. Apart from this, the company's CEO name is Andres Nelson. And unique thing about Andres Nelson, sir, the experience is 8 years in microfinance analyst in the field of cryptocurrency and in forex trading. Okay, he's very expert in that. And with the corporate team, we have Jasmine Vaughan, coordinator, Abu Nassar Anthony, chief marketing officer, Dennis, blockchain developer, Mary Ma'am, financial advisor, Matthew Burtin sir, legal advisor, Yantana, marketing advisor. Okay, and our head office is there in the European country Latvia, in Riga. Okay, head office is Riga in Latvia, and supported office company also has in USA. Okay, and regarding to this upcoming days, Bitsmack will be our exchange. Okay, and it will be launched in the month of December. Okay, and here Omnet token will be the means basic coin of our exchange to uh, trade with and to deal in the all marketplaces which will be going to launch in future. For example, like Binance have BNB token, Bitsmack will have Omnet token. Okay, and firstly I'm coming to IU. What is IU? Company is going to launch IU. Okay, that is called initial exchange offering with one of the top exchange which is listed in top 5 currently with market cap, and the rate will be go in 6 phase. Due to lockdown the dates has been means removed, but it will grow in the 6 phase. When it will start the IU in the exchange, the rate will start with 30 cents, and till the month of June it will go to 90 cent, and in the when it reach to 90 cent, our trading exchange also will come where we can trade the coins. And I will just share you where the P2 where the IU will be happening. Okay, company is going to initiate the IU with P2B B2 exchange. Okay, in IO what is happening majorly, the existing community of this exchange will buy our, and in that investor will be there, trader will be there, and we additionally we are doing affiliate marketing also. And during the period of IU, the all funds which will come to exchange, okay, that will be kept by the exchange only. When the company will come for the trading in open exchange, in other exchange, at that time with some contract with company and this exchange, this exchange will give the funds to Omnet Club company that time. Okay, in upcoming time in the month of June they are coming on exchange Coinsbit, CoinTiger, Bbox. These four exchange we can start trading in from the month of June, and company's own exchange will come in the month of December, Bitsmack. Okay, that is a unique feature. Apart from all the company till date, they have come first, they bring their own exchange, then they go in the market. But here is scenario is different. First they are coming in the open exchange, and later on they are launching their own exchange. Okay, and we can see the packages now. Apart from this, while what we will get and which package what benefit we can get here. Firstly we can join with $50 also. In $50 what we will get at the rate of 15 cent, we will get 333 coins, Omnet tokens. In $100 we will get 666 token. In $300 package we will get 2100 Omnet token. In this additional 5% we are getting. Okay, and with the higher package in $500 we are getting 3666 token. In that included 10% extra token. In $1000 we are getting 7666 token. In that 15% extra we are getting. In $2500 we are getting 19999 token, Omnet token. 20% extra we are getting. And in $5000 we are getting 41666 Omnet token, and included this 25% extra coin. And the contract period between the means company will be of 20 month. Okay, 20 month, and every month it will be released 5%, which is in two parts, means 2.5% in 15 days, 2.5% in 15 days. The coins total allocated, from there it will be minus. Okay, and now we are moving to the, we can go for proceed for the working plan, that what if we work as a affiliate marketing for this company. First benefit what we are getting: direct commission 50%, indirect commission 50%, and unlimited level 50%. That we will get. How we are getting, I will explain you later on. Okay, moving to the next graph, we can see here what we are purchasing and what we are getting. Okay, what we are purchasing and what we are getting. This is if I am taking the package till $500, I will make, I will get the 50% fee on $50, $100, $300, and $500. uh, Regarding that only, here all packages there, this is called the power pack benefit. Okay, if I am having $1000 package, on 2500 also I will get $300, but till
Uh,
$1000 I will get
sorry,
50%.
sorry, Siddiqui sir, I will interrupt to you. I think have network problems, so Miss Vanessa have disconnected.
Let me continue, sir. It is it will be beneficial for
Yeah,
all.
I was
I
sending
will
some message, but still offline. I think maybe have internet
I will
finish.
continue. Low issue. It will be
Okay,
helpful
okay.
for us. Okay. In the graph, we can see the power pack benefit. Okay, this is the packages what we will sell and what here we will get. Okay, so that is a
Mm-hmm.
power pack benefit. Means if I am enrolling with $1000 till $1000 on 50, 100, 5, 300, 500,000, I will get 50%. But if I introduce the $2500 package, I will get only $300. Here it is mentioned like that. If I am taking the $2500 package and I am introducing $5000 package, so till 2500 I will get 50%, and on $5000 package I will get $1500. Okay, and what is the plan? Just I will going to explain you now. This is called a pass up plan. Okay, I will explain you later. First I will give the example for this plan, what is the uniqueness and what benefit we are making here. We can see, if for an example 6 joining I have done with $100 in the system of binary. Let us assume that direct reference is 10% and binary is 10%. I introduce 6 people, I will make $50 income. And in our plan, if I introduce only 3 people, I will make $100. And I will explain you now what is pass up. Just later on I will give some with one of the chart I will explain you. Here you can say, if for example if I am introducing 10 people, so from 10 people direct referral, second, fourth, ninth will go to my sponsor as a goodwill, as a pass up bonus to him, and I will get the income of first, third, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, and 10th one. Okay, like that. If I introduce more than, after 9 I will introduce many people, means I can do unlimited direct joinings, but after 9 each fifth one will go to the sponsor only. Okay, for example, just explaining you one of the example. Let us assume that your sponsor here, this is myself John. If I introduce one people, first A, I will get 50%, but when I introduce second one, this will go to my sponsor as a pass up bonus to my sponsor. Okay, and here on each package we can see, means which package I am taking highest one, till that package I will get 50%. and higher to me, I will get something also on that package also. That is the beauty of the plan. And here with the team bonus, later on I will explain the pass up with the graph. Here we can see the additional rewards. If I do with the team business $5,000, okay, I will get $100 as a cash reward, one e-pin of $50, which will be called as Hercules. I will achieve eagle on the total team turnover of $20,000. I will get $300 cash and two e-pin of $100. Next is heart. Here I will be making 40,000 team bonus on team business. I will get $1,000 cash and 500 Omnet token, Omnet coin. Okay. And apart from this, here Vega, if I do team business of $60,000, I will get $2,000 cash. And unique thing for our means this, for our withdrawal, we are getting instant withdrawal with the company in the term of, we can get Bitcoin, USDT or perfect money, instant withdrawal. If I joining one people also, if I am introduced, I have top up my package, I have purchased my package, and I am introducing one person also. At that time when I make the money, immediately I can transfer to my wallet, which will take 5 minutes to maximum 30 minutes to come in our account. Okay. And regarding to this, I would like to explain some more things. Omnet token we are using, especially we are using ERC20 platform for our coin. Means we are using Ethereum blockchain. You can see on the exchange etherscan.io. Here if you put Omnet, you will find total supply, that is 5 crore in millions, 50 million total supply of Omnet. Contract address of Omnet with Ethereum. We are using Ethereum platform. Okay, all coins are pre-mined and available on the exchange. And secondly, in IO, if you go to icobench.com, we can see what is the benefit of IO. Many of the companies, many of the renowned exchange, they have done IO and they have made a lot of profit, and company has earned, the people has earned, investor has earned, the trader has earned, and whomso has done the affiliate marketing, that have also earned from these things. Okay. And let us go to understand the pass up plan with the graph. Just I would like to share with you. Let us assume that I have joined 10 directs. Okay, this is myself and I have joined 10 peoples. In this 10, second, fourth and ninth will go to my sponsor as a pass up bonus, as a goodwill I can say. And from first, third, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, 10th, I will get 50%. That if I join this all with $100, I will make $350 income. If I join all the people with $1,000, I will make $3,500. And in this graph, we can see if first, third, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, 10th, they start working again. From the team I will get 249. That is why I have written 3 people on the first level of my working with my downline team. Here I will get 50% from 21 people. When this 21 people will start working, I will get 63 people 50%. And when these 63 people will start working, I will get 189 people 50%. And this 189 will work, it will go continue. That is why it is called unlimited levels. We are making 50%, and on my directs I am making 50%, but when my directs works, I will get indirect also 50%. And apart from this, if I sponsoring more than 9 people directly, for example, if I joining 9 plus 5 14, it will go to sponsor. 14 plus 5 it will go to sponsor. 19 plus 5 24, it will go to sponsor. 24 plus 5 it will go to sponsor. Like that, after every 9th sale it will go to sponsor. Okay. And we can see the graph of earning, for example, of $100. In that you can see if the 10 joining duplication happens in 6th level, I will make 2,055 $2,55,150 income. If the work goes only, this is 100% ratio, if it goes with 10%, then also I am making $25,000 earning. Okay. And if I'm joining with all team members with $1,000, the same earning I can get in just fourth level, just that is $2,83,500. It is 100% if I have given effort. If the work happens 10% also, then I will also make, at that time also I will make $28,000 income. And if we go little higher, on $2,500 package, here we can get on third level the $2,36,250. If here also I assume if 10% work also happens, I will make $23,000 as a basic income. Okay, this is how we will make income in our system, and that is why this system is very unique apart from all the system which are running. And all the companies, they distribute 50%, but this company is directly given the things to the immediate leaders. They have different levels and they distribute 50%, but here the company is giving directly to the leaders, those who are working. The company is thinking for the leaders, and all leaders will make a good money and handsome money in the future. Upcoming days many new things are coming, and likewise due to lockdown the things are little delayed, but in upcoming days many things we will come to know, and we will make a good income and huge income in the system. Okay, 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 then this is my presentation, all I have completed. Thank you.